Linking your bank account to CapCut allows you to easily manage payments and transactions for your video editing needs. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open CapCut. Launch the CapCut app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Locate the profile icon or settings menu, usually found in the top corner of the app. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. To select payment options. In the Account Settings menu, look for a section labeled Payment or Payment Options. Click on it to proceed to the payment settings. Step 4. Add bank account. Find the option to add a bank account. You will need to enter your bank details, including account number and routing number. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid issues. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes to link your bank account to CapCut. Now you are ready to use your linked bank account for transactions within CapCut. Enjoy editing your videos.